Okay, so now, as I said, it's a discussion panel, so I will ask you some questions, and the shorter the answers are, the easier it is to find to a discussion at the end of the day. My first question is actually to Bakur. He's the Deputy Co-President of the Autonomous Self-Administration of Northern and Eastern Syria. And I would like to start with a question to you about the contemporary situation from the perspective of the self-administration. So what are the options, what are the plans of the self-administration concerning these possibilities of solving the conflict in Syria, and how is the situation at the moment on the ground? Does the self-administration still work in the territories that are still under control of the SDF? We have a translation from Suleiman, thank you for that.
Selamun Reis, Şübü Hamur Rezdaran, Benavir Rojhilatê ya Bakur Rojhilatê Sûriyê, Hamu Başlarbanan, Rezdaran hem spas dikin, hem Başiku ihtimam ve Giringi Peşvatçı.
At the beginning, thank you a lot and most welcome. And in the name of the self-administration of East and North of Syria, thank you a lot for organizing such conference.
Begman, perskrikim ku Bakur Rojhilatê Sûriyê hana perskrikim mahmwana taybet yeku dar habi terror Daesh da.
Without any doubt, the problems we face in the north and the east of Syria, which we face, is the problem of all of us in fighting against terror. For that, we are so happy. For that, I'm so happy that we all together try to talk about this problem together.
وكأكو حركة زانا النهي مهذا هذا باتفاق كسياري بشكل سريكاني وجلس بيجي جالي دولة تركيا. وكأكو حركة زانا النهي مهذا هذا بشكل جالي دولة تركيا سريكاني وجلس بيجي وقبل باتفاق كسياري نابل روسيا وتركيا وأمريكا ذا تشيبوت.
As everybody knows, in the 9th of October last year, there was an attack on Sarıkani. It was with a deal between three countries, Turkey, Russia.
بيجمان أبيرشن دولة تركيا دمك الرجل سر هرمن باكور رجلات سوريا بدومن بدأ أرماجة دوام دكن.
And this is attack from the Turkish government on the territory of the self-administration north and east of Syria has two targets.
یک جبوتك برنا حمود اسكت من قال كنت بيكاتين باكور رجلات سوريا يكو دبن بانار ببيع خسارة خاطر سيدك.
The first one is to destroy all the achievements which the self-administration and the autonomous administration of North Syria achieved.
دو دولت ترکیه دخوازه بنبا ارشادا وکه شریطکی اولهی سرسینور خادشه بکه.
And the second one, that through these attacks, the Turkish regime tried to make a safe zone on the south border.
ببریا ویج دبیجه که امی او کشور سوریه ترکیه هنی امی بینن دبا هریمادا بجی بکن.
And Turkey said that it will bring the Syrian refugees who live there to live in this safe zone.
في شوازی به پیلانه تمام دخوازه گل هرم قرب کرد.
In this way, Turkish government or Turkish regime want to destroy the people who live in this area.
Yani
existence.
پیلانه که گوهرتنا دموگرافیک دروجه به جاری دولت ترکیه.
It is a plan of demographic change from the Turkish government against the people who live in this area.
ویناجی نه دولت ترکیه لنا ولات اروپا دیگری دخوازه پیشگیری ولات اروپا جبوی به پلان چه بکه.
And now Turkey is looking for the support between the European countries for this plan. This is resettlement plan.
حتى نها ما نريدن پر نيجاتيف ما ندين التنجي علي ولاتا كي بوكا ألمانيا بيجيكو أم بيشتري بلانك وها بكن وي هاري مكب أولاد.
Even now we haven't noticed any negative reaction only from